Welcome! In this video, we're diving into the SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. SUMIFS allows you to sum values based on multiple criteria. Let's see how this works and how it can be useful for your data analysis. First, let's clarify the difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS. SUMIF is used when you have a single condition or criterion. For example, if you want to sum the sales for a specific product. SUMIFS, on the other hand, is used when you have multiple criteria. For example, summing sales for a specific product in a specific region. So the key difference is that SUMIF handles one criterion, while SUMIFS handles two or more. Now let's look at the syntax of the SUMIFS function. The formula is equals SUMIFS open parenthesis sum range criteria range 1 criteria range 2 criteria 2 and so on close parenthesis. The sum range is the range of cells that you want to add up. Criteria range 1 is the first range of cells you want to evaluate. Criteria 1 is the condition that you want to match within criteria range 1. You can add additional criteria range and criteria pairs as needed. Let's break down these parameters in more detail. The sum range is the range of cells that you want to sum. This is a required parameter. Criteria range 1 is the first range of cells that you want to evaluate based on a condition. This is also a required parameter. Criteria 1 is the actual condition that you want to match in the criteria range 1. This is also a required parameter. And finally, you can add additional pairs of criteria ranges and criteria as needed. These are optional, allowing you to add more conditions to your sum. Let's consider some sample data in an Excel table to understand how SUMIFS works in practice. Our table includes the columns: product, region, sales, and quarter. We have data for various products like laptops, phones, and tablets, sold in different regions like North and South, with their corresponding sales figures for different quarters. We'll use this data to demonstrate how SUMIFS can be applied. Here's a basic example to illustrate how SUMIFS can be used. Let's say we want to calculate the sum of sales for laptop products specifically in the North region. The formula would be equals SUMIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, comma, A2:A6, comma, open quotation laptop close quotation, comma, B2:B6, comma, open quotation North close quotation close parenthesis. Here C2:C6 is the sum range, where the sales values are located. A2:A6 is the criteria range 1, containing the product names. Open quotation laptop close quotation is the criteria 1, specifying that we only want to consider rows where the product is laptop. B2:B6 is the criteria range 2, containing the regions. Open quotation North close quotation is the criteria 2, specifying that we only want to consider rows where the region is North. This formula will add up the sales only for laptops sold in the North region. Let's dive into a more advanced scenario. Suppose we want to sum the sales for either laptop or phone products, but only in the North region, and only if the sales are greater than 3,000. To achieve this, we need to use SUMIFS twice and add the results. The formula would be equals SUMIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, comma, A2:A6, comma, open quotation laptop close quotation, comma, B2:B6, comma, open quotation North close quotation, comma, C2:C6, comma, open quotation greater than 3,000 close quotation, close parenthesis plus SUMIFS open parenthesis C2:C6, comma, A2:A6, comma, open quotation phone close quotation, comma, B2:B6, comma, open quotation North close quotation, comma, C2:C6, comma, open quotation greater than 3,000 close quotation, close parenthesis. The first SUMIFS calculates the sum of sales for laptops in the North region with sales greater than 3,000. The second SUMIFS calculates the sum of sales for phones in the North region with sales greater than 3,000. By adding these two results together, we get the total sales for both laptops and phones in the North region that meet the sales threshold. To summarize, here are the key takeaways from this video. The SUMIFS function is a powerful tool for performing complex data analysis by summing values based on multiple criteria. It's an essential function for creating dynamic reports and calculating key performance indicators in dashboards. By mastering SUMIFS, you can efficiently analyze and extract meaningful insights from your data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.